one incision only on the skin. Try not to cut the meat underneath it. A gentle touch on your scalpel, right from top of the keel bone all the way to the rectum. From the back side of the bird out, without damaging too much of the muscles on the breast. So if you kind of like, you know, bend the wing that way, it helps you locate the humerus bone or the shoulder, the eyeball. You're good. You can stop right there. Same thing on the other side. Spraying some water to make it fresh and creates more elasticity to the skin. In case if you're okay, we put the bird body into the freezer. Now we're back here continuing with the skin. So we got the eyes right now that they're ready to come out. Okay, now one thing is recommended is this, that you grab your insulin syringe, so and then with pieces of cotton just push it into the brain cavity and it squeezes out all the brain pieces at a time. That's how I like to do it. And twist around in there. Keep doing this till your cotton comes out totally clean. It's a little bit of a growth fat and open up all the basically all the feather quills inside the skin. Just got to be careful. Side is better. When I put them in the freezer, I really like to give them the natural shape. Push the legs backward, not having them stick up like that. So the legs that are standing kind of like, you know, here, they're frozen. And usually because I pulled out the whole wing bones out of here, not going forward, not coming back, because then it's going to mess up your carved body measurement. Okay, now okay, I'll hold it like this so you can see it better. So you can see that side and also this side. Everything got to be done straight and symmetric. Okay, I'm starting to get the real shape. If I take a little bit off of here, where is my measuring tape? Here. So 12 centimeter in a straight line. Gauge 20 black annealed wire for wing, for everything, basically wings, legs, and neck. Okay, but I have a couple of small pieces of gauge attached the neck successfully to the skull. Now what we're going to do is build up the eye sockets and install the eyes right now. Good. I just keep the clay around that area in a smooth shape. Angle, so I bent my neck wire in 45-degree angle and push it right into the top of my neck cavity here. The wire, I'm gonna tape it up this way so I can keep working on it. just making sure that when I'm spreading the wings out, they're all gonna look symmetric.